I hope you are all doing great. So today I am going to discuss very important point which is related to English learning only. If we are thinking about how we can learn and what is the easiest way, just I am going to ask you one question. See, when you are going to watch movie, right? So in that time you watch like 2.5 hours, some movies 3 hours, some movie 3.5 hours movie. And after watching the movie, if any people, any your friend, any your family member, if they are asking any kind of story, any kind of scene which is related to that movie, so you can easily explain them, and you can explain them with a very good manner. So how it has happened, you never thought in your mind, okay, I need to remember this, but you remember how it has happened. So because you enjoy that process, you are just enjoy that process, that's why it is easy, you just catch it everything. So like that we have to learn English also. So first of all, if we are like scared in my mind, okay, how I need to learn vocab, how I need to make translation, how I need to talk with the people, so somewhere it is very difficult, right? And if we are not enjoying with the process, so I'm not talking about English, anything you want to learn, anything you want to going to learn, so if you are not enjoying that process, so it is very difficult to learn. Yeah, one day you can learn, that is not a problem, you can learn one day, but there is a like it's a long process, it has happened like a long process, it will take a lot of time to get this opportunity, right? And if you are start enjoying with the process, it will not take more than like if we are talking about English, so it will not take 6 months if you are enjoying with the process, right? 6 months is enough for learning English. You can speak, you can communicate with the people, you can understand them, how people are saying, what are they saying, you understand that meaning and you can answer them. These things I'm telling you, you can learn within a 6 months. I'm not telling you you can you can become like a good speaker, fluent speaker and public speaker within a 6 month. So it is really not possible, it will take a lot of time, you need to be patient and you have to keep practice on daily basis, then it is possible to reach over there, right? And if we are talking about like a good speaker and English communication, good speaker, they are speaking in a public place, they are speaking in a broadcast, right? And we are speaking in front of the camera, we are just doing a lot of mistake, that is not a problem, right? We just trying to learn and we just trying to reduce our mistake, just we trying to learn the new thing. So this is the main important point. Just I am trying to tell you, if you are not enjoying with the process, so it is very difficult to learn actually. So today is my agenda is just I am trying to say to everybody, if they are not enjoy with the process, if really not enjoy with the process, so it is very difficult to learn. I'm not talking about English, anything if you are going to learn, right? So it is very difficult to learn. So first of all, you just try to understand what is this and how I can learn on easy way, right? You don't think in your mind, okay, it is very difficult for me and I can't do it, let's try. No, don't think like that. You just try to enjoy with that. You don't think in mind it is very difficult, it is very easy, that is very simple thing. Just you need to think like that. Then see, it's really not how you can decide within a 6 month I can become like a fluent speaker. Maybe you are not be able to speak. So that's why you don't think like that, ki how I learn and what I need to do. You just try to enjoy with the process. If you are doing mistake, that is another problem. You just keep practice make perfect. So if you are not practice, so it is very difficult. So first of all, you just try to open your mouth. If you are doing mistake, that is not a problem. If you are doing mistake, that is fine. You just record your video in your mobile phone and watch your video where you did mistake. You just try to reduce your mistake, right? Like that you can practice and you can become like a good speaker. And I am also learner. I am not a good speaker. I am also doing a lot of mistake. You can see my video. I found when I watch my video, I realize, okay, here I did mistake, here I need to say this word, but I say this. So I'm not saying I'm a good speaker, but yeah, I can speak, I can communicate with the people, I can understand the people what they are saying. I am trying to answer them also. So we can say like I can communicate with the people. I'm not a good speaker, but yeah, in future I am decided I will be like a good speaker if we are consistent working on it. This is only the single way to learn English. There is no any substitute. You can learn in easy way and without doing anything. So it is very difficult. So today my agenda is just I'm trying to say to everybody, if they want to learn English, so first they want to enjoy with the process. If they are not enjoy with the language, so it is very difficult to learn, right? You don't scared in your mind, okay, how I need to learn. So don't think like that. You just try to enjoy with the process, or very soon you become like a good speaker. And one thing just I want to add here, if anybody who want to talk to me on live conversation for English practice, they can mail me. You will get my email ID in my channel description, and we can talk and we can discuss our point, how we can learn English, what we need to do, and etc. So that's all for today, and thanks a lot, and keep practice. There is only single way to learn English. Take care. Bye bye.